Okay, so today we are going to do more problems. I have only really done 3 with you, and like we said, it takes minimum of 5 times of me explaining it, but usually, 10. So we're going to do more problems together. It's really important that you kind of do it along with me, but try to get ahead of me. Take a little guess, and then when I give you the answer, say, oh, that's what I got too, or oh, no, I didn't get that. So we'll do a few more problems, and then I would recommend going back and trying yesterday's exit ticket again. So where you're matching up the graph to the equation. So number 7, first thing you're going to do is you need to identify the y-intercept. So this is B, and this is your slope. So if B is 3, where are we going to mark on this graph? Where's our first point? Okay, so hopefully you tried it or answered me. First point is at 0, 3. So your first move is always going to be to mark somewhere on the y-axis, and this will tell you exactly where. So this is our starting spot. This is nothing like plotting points. It's a whole different series of steps. So I hope you're not trying to kind of combine the two. So we're drawing a line, we're going to mark first where the line's going to cross through the y-axis. Now, do you think this line's going to go like this? Do you think it's going to go like this? Well, it's negative 1/3, so it's going to be going down, but not too steep. I would say maybe it's got to pass through here. It's probably going to go maybe like this. Let's see. So second step, identify the slope. It is -1/3. So remember, the top number is your vertical change, so up or down. If the top number is negative, that means we're going to go down 1. Now let me make that look like a 1. I'm struggling right now because I just was petting my kitty and I am allergic to her. So I'm trying to make this video without sniffling in your ear. Oh no. Okay, so back to this. Slope, the top number is negative, so since this is your change in y, or your vertical change, we're going to go down 1. And then the bottom number, see how there's no symbol in front? It's really +3. So the bottom number is your horizontal change, so left or right. If the bottom number is +3, you're going to go right 3. Now, where do we do this from? Where are we going to go down 1, right 3 from? From the origin or from the point we marked? From the point we marked. So, again, different than plotting points. So we're going to start here. What did I say? Down 1, right 3. So down 1 box, take a turn, go 1, 2, 3. And you could keep continuing that pattern. Down 1 over 3. Down 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then where's my ruler? Goodness. Okay. Do not do this without a ruler. Oh my goodness, it would hurt my eyes. All right, so get this through. And I was about right with my estimation of where this line would be. I would sled down this hill, would you? That looks like a decent, that's good for me. I think anything steeper than that, gets me a little nervous. So that's how you graph number 7. Let's talk about number 8. Rinse and repeat, right? Rinse and repeat. Number 8, let's identify the y-intercept. So what is the symbol for y-intercept? It's B. Okay, what is the y-intercept? Right, it's 5. So that means that the first point that you're going to mark, which is on this line, is going to be at 0, 5. So that is right here. Always marking the y-axis first. Now let's think. The line's going to cross through here, right? Is it going to go down like before? Or is it going to go up? Is it going to be steep? No matter what, it's going through this point. It has a slope of 2, and we talked the other day about what a slope of 1 looked like. I was thinking like slope of 1 is a little steep for me. So this is even steeper. So maybe like this. Let's see. So how do we figure this out? Second step is to write down the slope. The slope is 2, and this is confusing for people because it's not written as a fraction. So slope is a ratio of the vertical change over the horizontal change. Well, if we only have one number, that becomes confusing. So we have to put this back into fraction form. So you can make any whole number a fraction by putting it over 1, and then voila! Okay, so the top number is positive, the bottom number is positive. The top number is your vertical change. So this top number is going to tell you whether you go up or down. If it's positive, you're going up. Bottom number is your The bottom number is your horizontal change. So it tells you whether you're going to go left or right. So it's positive, I'm going to go right. Oops, no. Okay. So where are we going up to right 1 from? Okay, we're not starting at the origin. That's for plotting points. We are not plotting points. Well, we are plotting points, but our goal is to make the equation, graph the equation of that line. So we are starting at the Y-intercept. From there, we're going to go up to right 1. So start here, ready? Count. Oh, we're going to go up 2 boxes, 1, 2, right 1. I can do it again, up 2, right 1. See, up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. Neat. Okay, that's enough. I'll show you next time how to get. I mean, there's a way to get points this way too, but I don't want to throw too much at you. Okay, now this is a positive slope, so I wouldn't be going downhill. I'd be walking up this hill, and I'm thinking, no, thank you. This is a little steep for me. I think I'd have to crawl up it maybe, but it's a pretty steep positive slope. And then we'll do one more. Hello, number 9. What's happening? We got B is what? B is at the end. It's your Y-intercept. Punchy. I've only had half a cup of coffee still. So this means we're going to mark 0, 3. So Y-intercept is 3. That means you're going to mark 0, 3. So you're going to mark on the Y-axis at 3. That's step 1. Step 1 is marking the Y-axis somewhere. So this is a negative slope, see? -3. So I know this is going to go down, but it's a slope of -3. It's going to be a pretty steep hill. One I would definitely not want to sled down. I know that. So second step, mark your slope. Now this, again, is the same as number 8. There's no fraction going on here. So to make this a fraction or ratio, we need to put that 1 in. Move this camera over a little bit. So what this means is, if this top number is -3, if this is the vertical change, this means we're going to go down 3, and then the bottom, our options are right or left. So if it's positive, see, you can't see it, but it is positive, we're going to go left or right. Right. 1 space. So starting from 3, you're going to go down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1. Ready? So 1, 2, 3, right 1. There's a point on the line. Down 3, 1, 2, 3, right 1. Okay, now we're going to connect these dots with my old-fashioned ruler. And right, see how steep it is? I'm thinking no, right? So then we're going to label the line. Y equals -3x plus 3. And there is another 3 examples. So now we are about 6 times in, but virtually 6 times in. So don't forget how much magic happens when you come to class. So please just try your best on the exit ticket. And there will be another virtual game attached to today's assignment too that you could go on and practice. But bare minimum, I want to see this page filled out and the exit ticket attempted again. You have a great day, and I'll see you soon.